Welcome to Pydle Day 126. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is an ice lolly. You can see the little stick at the bottom and then the ice lolly with a little bit of melting there. So have a go at solving this Pydle using Python, and you fill in the pixels by using the Pydle function, which is built into Pydle. You can color them different colors. You'll work out what the colors are. It's quite obvious. But if you are new to Pydle or you're not quite sure how to play, then I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So every Pydle is different and we can use a number of techniques. But generally we've got two loops to go through just all the 25 pixels we have. So we need an X and a Y loop. Sometimes we just have one loop, just go through all the pixels from left to right. But today we are going to use Cartesian coordinates because that's going to be handy for some bits of this dragon image. Okay, to do that we do x in range -2, 3. That goes from -2 to +2 because the second argument is exclusive, so it doesn't actually go to 3, and same for y -2, 3. Okay, so the reason we're using Cartesian coordinates is these yellows and the whites are kind of symmetrical around the center pixel, so we can use a very simple expression. We can say if absolute value of x times y equals 1. So if you just did that, they would all be white. So this needs to be, we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates. And we do that by adding 2 to x and subtracting y from 2. Because the reason is y is inverted. Looks a bit ugly. Okay, so now we get the 4 pixels representing the eyes and the teeth. So now we simply need to say distinguish between the yellows and the whites. So we can say yellow if y greater than 0, else white. Okay, so if y is +1, it needs to be yellow, else it needs to be white. And you can see that worked. Okay, we don't need to worry about the black pixels because they are the default color of Pydle, so we only have to focus on the rest of the pixels that are green. And there are a few conditions we need to test for the green ones. So you say L if, so this one's simple. So that is -1 less than y less than 2. Okay, let's try that out. So Pydle 2 plus x 2 minus y. So the third argument of the Pydle function is a character, which we don't need for this particular Pydle, but some Pydles we do need that. So if I put an x there, oops, made some sort of a mistake. Oh yes, the colon in the wrong place. Okay, you can see we can put a character. We're going to take that away now. Okay, so we need a few more conditions. So that one worked. What about the top line? Say or y equals 2 and these are the even pixels, so we say x modulus, which takes the remainder of x divided by 2 equals 0. Why did that one work? So it's minus 2 0. Sorry, I did the black ones. It's actually the green, which is the odds. Yeah, odds we don't even have to test for 1 because that returns actually true in Python. Okay, there you go. And the final pixel over there, we can use a number. I'm going to say or for to test for a single pixel, what I often do is it's nice in Python. You can say x equals y equals a value. So we know x equals 0, but y is actually minus 2. So if we say x equals y plus 2, this would convert that y to 0 equals 0. Let's see if that worked. That worked. That solved the Pydle. Feel free to comment on any of the videos I post on TikTok and YouTube. I welcome any feedback. If you haven't tried this yourself, then have a go yourself. And then try also to solve today's Pydle. Good luck with that. And I'll see you again tomorrow.